Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, it is we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this platform. And if you um I will also like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so if you have any question, can you drop your question down there in the comment section? Okay, so these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 1200 right from the support zone. It started an uptrend, gave us the uptrend signal and the buy signal, and it got to this region. Right from here, it played around there for a while, but broke out below this, and of course, it is selling at the moment. Okay, we expect it to get to this region, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course, give us the resistance. I mean, the downtrend signal, and of course, the sell signal. It has been selling since then, and it is still selling. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200 that had been on uptrend for a while, and of course got to the resistance and was unable to break out above it. So it started a downtrend right from here, and of course gave us a downtrend signal, gave us a sell signal also, and it has been selling since then. So it finds it difficult to go below this. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to go back on uptrend. Okay, this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. So next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, so this is Paynex 999. This actually went on downtrend right from here, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend from there, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course it's still trying to pull up. Okay, so I still expect more of a buying opportunity from there. Okay, so next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It started a downtrend from here, got to this region, was unable to go further from there. So it went back on buy trend, but got to this region and was unable to go above this. So it is selling at the moment. If it breaks out below here, then it's going to sell more, and we are most likely to see it around here. Okay. But if it does not, it will go back on uptrend and see if it will be able to break out above this resistance zone. So this is very, very important. So at the moment, it is still selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.